Welcome back everyone, Tina here, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can send WhatsApp media messages with captions from the Conversations tab. WhatsApp media messaging allows the user to send attachments within the WhatsApp chat, such as images, videos, audio files, as well as documents. You can upload the files directly from your desktop or pull them directly from the media storage. This helps teams to provide clearer context, reduce repeated uploads, and keep the customer communication moving. You can also save all of these documents and files inside the Conversations tab to go back to those files later should you need them. So the supported file types for images are PNG, JPG, and JPEG. The maximum file size is 5 MB. For videos, it's MP4 and 3GP, and the maximum file size is 16 GB. For audio, it is AAC, AMR, MP3, M4A, and also the maximum file size is 16 MB. The supported formats for documents are TXT, PDF, DOC, DocX, XLS, XLSX, PPT, and PPTX. And the maximum file size is 100 MB that you can send. Now let me show you how you can do this. So navigate to Conversations on the left, select the conversation in question, and please note that you can send those attachments whilst you are in the service window, meaning a customer texted you, then the service window will open up for 24 hours and you can send unlimited messages basically. And every time a customer sends back another message, it resets the 24 hours. Now click on the type a message box, and right here under the drop-down menu, make sure you've selected WhatsApp. Please click inside of the type message, click on attach file. Here we can upload from system, and we can also select multiple. So let's select 3 files, click open, and here we can type the message. Then we can click send message. Now you can see the caption has been added to each file, so you can stay very organized. Now let's pull a file from the media storage. Click upload, media storage. Let's select an image, double click on it. Let's give it a caption. Let's hit send, and the message has been sent. Now, if you wanted to store these files, you can click the 3 dots right here, click on add to documents, and the system has successfully saved them under attachments. You can click on documents on the right side here, and right here you will see the image has been saved. Click on it and it will open up in a new tab. In case you're not seeing the WhatsApp messaging behavior, this means you're maybe still working with the old Conversations layout, so please make sure you switch to the new Conversations layout. And that's it already. This is how you can send and manage files from WhatsApp media much more effectively by adding captions so you can stay organized. I hope you like this feature, and be sure to check out all of our free bonuses that are linked in the description below, which are snapshots, videos, courses, SOPs, and much more. I will see you over there.